Welcome back, everyone. Thanks to an Arctic front, it is a lot colder right now than it was 24 hours ago. Temperatures are in the single digits and teens below zero in most locations right now. And the wind's not too strong, but there's enough of a breeze that it makes it feel like it is in the teens and the 20s below zero in most locations. Actually, in Havre right now, it feels like it is 30 degrees below zero. And tonight is going to be one of the coldest nights that we have had so far this winter. And for some locations, this may actually be the coldest night that we have until next winter. Low temperatures tonight are going to be in the teens and the 20s below zero, with the coldest temperatures along the high line. There will be some spots overnight tonight that do drop down into the 30s below zero. And for tomorrow, it's going to be another bitterly cold day, but actually a little bit warmer than it was today, as high temperatures are going to be back above zero for most of us in the single digits, and a few spots may actually top out in the lower teens. Now, overnight tonight and tomorrow, the wind's not going to be too bad, but there is going to be a little bit of a breeze around later tonight and tomorrow. Sustained wind speeds are going to be between 5 and 20 miles per hour. And we could see a few gusts up to 30 miles per hour at times. When we are dealing with bitterly cold temperatures, even just a little bit of a breeze makes for dangerously cold wind chills. As we go through tonight and into tomorrow morning, wind chills for almost all of us in north central Montana are going to be in the 20s, the 30s, and the 40s below zero. And at times, we may actually see a few wind chills dipping down into the 50s below zero overnight tonight. So definitely try and limit your time outdoors tonight and tomorrow morning if you can. And if you do have to be outside at all, make sure you cover all exposed skin. Make sure you are able to get to a warm place, whether it be a car or a house if you can, as frostbite can occur in as little as 10 minutes with wind chills this cold. As we go through tomorrow, those wind chills will improve a little bit as we head into the afternoon and the evening, but dangerously cold wind chills will return to the entire state as we head into tomorrow night. Almost all of Montana is currently under either an extreme cold warning or a cold weather advisory. All of northeastern Montana, north central Montana, and the Helena area is under this extreme cold warning until 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. Wind chills as low as 40 to 50 degrees below zero are possible as we go through tonight and into tomorrow morning. On the Great Falls Clinic iCam, we started today off with some cloud cover and a little bit of light snow, but we did clear out and see a lot of sunshine for the rest of the day. And outside of it being cold, it was actually a pretty nice day today. Satellite and radar is pretty quiet, and it will be pretty quiet for most of this week, as high pressure is generally going to be in control of our weather. But there will be a weak disturbance that works its way through our area later tomorrow into tomorrow night, bringing a few snow showers to north central Montana. Overnight tonight, we are going to have clear skies and dry conditions. Tomorrow, we are going to have partly to mostly sunny skies. Mainly dry during the morning, but during the afternoon and the evening, as well as early tomorrow night, there will be a few light snow showers around as a disturbance does work its way southward through the state. A lot of us won't see any snow, but if you do see some snow, a quick coating to an inch of accumulation is possible, but that's really about it. Those snow showers will taper off as we go through tomorrow night, and then we are going to have mostly sunny skies for your day on Wednesday. Now, let's take a look at the 7-day forecast in Great Falls. It will be a little bit warmer Wednesday and Thursday with highs back in the teens. Colder as we head into Friday and Saturday, and snow is likely on Valentine's Day on Friday, expecting about 1 to 4 inches of accumulation all throughout north central Montana right now. And then look at Sunday and Monday. It's actually going to get warmer, highs back in the 20s for a lot of us.